In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a card in Canva. Whether you're crafting a birthday greeting, a heartfelt thank you, or a holiday message, I'll show you how to find the right template, personalize it, prepare it for printing, and save or share it with ease. Begin by opening Canva. In the search bar on the home screen, type card or greeting card. This pulls up a gallery of professionally designed options. Click any design to preview it. If one fits your theme, select it. If you prefer total creative control, choose Create Blank to start from scratch with a clean canvas. Now customize the design. Click into any text box to edit the message. Update greetings and details, then explore font choices to match the mood. Playful for birthdays, elegant for weddings, bold for celebrations. Adjust size, color, and alignment so your words are clear. Keep strong contrast for readability and avoid mixing more than two fonts to keep things cohesive. Add visual flair using the Elements tab. Search for shapes, icons, or lines to frame sections and guide the eye. Resize and recolor elements to match your palette. For photos, upload your own images or browse Canva's stock library. Drag images onto the page, crop to focus on the subject, and fine-tune brightness so everything looks polished and consistent. Designing for print. Set your document to 5 by 7 inches for a standard flat card, or 10 by 7 inches for a folded card that finishes at 5 by 7. Working at the correct size helps keep artwork crisp. Leave a little breathing room near the edges, so important text doesn't get trimmed, and when you are ready, use the Print Cards feature for professional results on quality cardstock. When you are finished, click Share. Choose Download and pick your format, JPG or PNG for digital sharing, or PDF for printing. For the sharpest prints, select a print. Ready PDF. You can also share straight from Canva via email or social platforms. And that's it. Thanks for watching.